What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another project that we're going to be announcing. We have got some parts and that'll be a build that's going to be happening very shortly. Well, be a couple months yet, just because we need to get some parts. And also in the purple one and the boot, I'm going to be welding the plate in the boot because at the moment it is just, well, there's just nothing there. I cut it out and yeah, you can just see the floor. So before I take it to get an MOT, I need to weld that plate in and then should be all good. I'm just itching to drive this thing and I need an MOT before I can drive it, so there's a few little bits I need to sort out. I'm waiting for some parts as well, which got lost in the post, so they're sending me some others. But yeah, let's crack on, eh? I've also fitted a new hydro. This is a IRP one, and I fitted a 0.625 cylinder on there, so it should feel a bit better. This pole was like crazy long, it was like up here, so I chopped it down and made it so that I can fit this grip on there. I'm just gonna glue that on there, and then sweet as, look at that, freshy. Before we had just like an eBay Chinese one, but done the job, but we had this one sat around, so pop that in. Yeah, should be lovely. We've got the silent Blakey boy over here, cracking on with the e36 finally, getting the brakes on.
Birthday,
Is your birthday today? Yeah. Really? Happy birthday.
I bought myself as a present.
Yeah, loads of brakes and stuff. Nice, got the green stuff. I want to get some of them as well for the hydro. He's doing a dual caliper setup, so
that's the one. That's the bracket.
That's the extra one, isn't it? And the original one goes down there.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet. Got the Brembo discs. Nice, mate. Nice. Be skidding in what, a week's time?
Within a year,
yeah. But it's looking good. Looking good, mate. And yes, this. So this is a, if it ever focuses, L1JZ. So we went to Essex yesterday to pick this up for Roscoe over here. What do you have to say, Ross?
Financial mistake.
Yeah. But that is going to be going in there. So it won't be for a few months, probably be like a winter project, same as what we've done on the purple one. Yeah, this bad boy is going to be coming out and that one going in. So this is a 1JZ GTE and it's a non-VVTi. We bought this as like a whole deal thing, so it was worked out really good. It's got the PMC adapter kit, comes with the flywheel, clutch and everything. Probably get a new clutch anyway. And all the pistons and rods are in there. There's even some spares, and it came with the ZF box, which is the same one that we've got in the purple one. So very similar build, just 1JZ, and this one we're going to be using a stock wiring loom and stock ECU for now, and then eventually we can go ECU master on that. But so yeah, this is going to be another little build coming. I'm going to strip it all down and do full build in it, obviously get the block decked, honed, cleaned. Same the heads, we're going to fully rebuild the head. Yeah, that'll be happening in the next few months, I imagine, probably November, December-ish, around that sort of time, because still got some drift events to go to. I want to get used to the car a bit more before smack a JZ in there, mate.
Engine will be for sale.
Yeah. If anyone wants to buy M52 B28 with M50 manifold, remapped ECU and stuff, let us know. It won't be for a few months yet, but will be available shortly. One careful lady owner, never drifted or anything. Well, with you driving, it never hits red line anyway.
I'll be going to stick your one into a wall.
Yeah. No, both of these are going to crash into each other, mate. We'll write both of them off. Yeah. Just pile them up together. But yeah, that should be fun. Now I just have to fill this in. This a bit annoying because my frame rails are a bit crunched in, so it makes measurements a bit awkward. And also this is where the exhaust bracket mounts to, the factory one, and most people cut this out, but I am actually using this for the exhaust, so I need to cut the plate around it really. Should be fun. So this is the template Blake made for his car. So obviously my car, the frame rail is a bit crushed in, so it doesn't quite fit mine, but I'm just going to cut it out of this, and then I'll just trim some bits off where it's needed. This sheet is actually a bit shorter than that, so I'm going to have to add a little bit on as well. But that bit at the back is the bit that's quite mangled, so I'll just cut it all out and then weld it to this plate, I think. Something like that. It'll do the job. So there we go. That's roughly how it's going to go. I had to make it out of 2 pieces, but should be alright. I'm just going to clean it all up now, take it all out. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a tack weld probably every 2 inches or so, just all the way around all the corners and everything, and then just fill it all with seam sealer. So should be nice and tight. Now clean it all up. Decent. There we go. It's all cleaned up, ready to get welded in. Just need to tack it all in and seam sealer it. Right, so it's actually a week or 2 later from the last clip where I was doing the boot, but we got the boot all done. Let me show you. I can get to it. So the boot is all done. I've put seam sealer around the bottom, but I haven't done the top yet, but I will do that next. But doing other bits for now. Another part that arrived is these top camber plates from Wizard of Lock. It basically extends the camber out so that, because we're running wise fab, there ends up being like way too much camber, so the wheel was literally like this. So with these you can bring the top out further to get your wheel a bit straighter. Here is one that I've done earlier. See, as you can see, it's a lot straighter now. Obviously we do have slight poke issue, so I'm going to have to get wider over fenders, but that's roughly how it goes. I did butcher it a little bit because I tried a few different methods of cutting that out, and the first few didn't go so well, but we got there in the end. I ended up cutting 2 slits down here and then just drilled lots of holes, and then got that out and then used a die grinder to smooth it all off. So I'm just gonna have to sand this down and paint that. But yeah, she is looking tasty. That should solve the steering issues I was having, because there was way too much camber, so when you was turning it was sort of making all the shock bind at the top, so I weren't getting full angle. But should be alright now. I might put it back to where it was before for now until the other over fenders arrive, because I don't know how legal that is, driving with your wheels sticking out. Probably end up getting pulled for that. And obviously need to sort out the fitment a bit, but now, see, as you can see, this is what it used to be like. So we've got it maxed out this way, but it's not far enough, so I need to bring it right over here. Right, now I'm gonna do this one, which that wasn't fun. But now I know how to do it, it should go a lot smoother. Other than that, car's all good. I have taken it out for a spin already and it is nuts. But the video after this one will be a video of me driving it. I'm gonna do like a full POV of driving it, take it out. So that one's gonna be insane. Done a few little things here. I've got there's like a little pinch where the pipe for the power steering sort of goes down. It's sort of creasing and squashing, and the steering was shaking on full lock. So I've put a Jubilee around it just to hold it into a shape. So hopefully that flows. I just want to check, see if it's that's causing the shaking. If that fixes it, then I'll get a better hose and replace it. If that still doesn't fix it, then there's another issue on the power steering somewhere, I don't know. But that's going to be the first try. I will put in a little clip now of I took Rye for a little spin, so you can see his reaction. I'm going to try my best to hold this still. It's quick. Oh shit, mate. Oh god. It's like 3,000. You ready? Yeah, go. F it, go. Let's go. lifting out my seat. Oh my god.
As it gets higher up in third.
I'm actually crying. Oh my god. Oh, I'm shaking. Dude, what the fuck? Oh my god.
That is actually nuts, mate.
No. No, that's... I'm not putting this on. This is fucking... Oh my god. Jesus. It's sick.
Oh, tunnel.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I didn't even think about it.
Oh my god, yes.
Turn the anti-lag on, isn't it?
Oh, that's gonna be fucking popping. Oh my god. That is popping. Come on. Here we go, son.
Ridiculous, man.
Rosses.
Good job the tunnel was quite a bit further back.
Yeah. Jesus Christ! Mate, you gotta stop driving this thing. Oh my god!
That's nuts, isn't it?
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh, I really wish people could understand just how quick this is. Like, honestly, it probably won't even come across like this is. I've never felt anything like this, mate, honestly.
We're obviously doing the speed limit.
Yeah, no, definitely. I mean, we technically,
No,
we're technically doing the speed limit. It's just how quick we get into it. It's pretty impressive. Jesus! Oh my god! I've never experienced anything like that. Like that is nuts. Do you know the closest thing I could compare it to? When you take off in an aeroplane,
Yeah.
you know when it kicks you back. That's literally the only thing I can compare it to. Jesus Christ!
So it pulls pretty well. But yeah, as I said, next week I'll be doing a full video driving it. So expect lots of Jay-Z sounds and flames, because it does spit some gnarly flames. But yeah, now let's do that other side. So that's how I've been doing it. 2 little slits, and then I do a lot of pilot holes and then put a bigger drill bit through. And then now I'll just get these centers out with the drill as well, just sort of wiggle it around, tap it down, die grind it smooth. Probably not the most efficient way to do it, but it's working. That side came out half decent, so there we go. Way less camber now, still a tiny bit, but it's fine. Just got
a lot of poke now.
But gonna order them, can't remember what brand they were, but the same as what Ross got. I think a Fitment Lab or something. What are they, Fitment Lab or Fiberwork? Fiber Factory. Yeah, Fiber Factory ones, so that should cover that up. But looks decent. Yeah, it's just nice getting rid of some of that camber. The steering works a lot better now. It doesn't bind or anything, so pretty good. Yeah, the next video should be driving it, so this is probably the last of builds for now. And then yeah, next one we'll take her out for a rip and you'll get to see what it sounds like and everything, because it's nuts. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.